How to get $20 Instacart coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Instacart coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Coupon Follow. This is a legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. You can see that $30 off, $10 off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to use. Just click on it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Instacart. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also check out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit one website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. So this way you can easily get up to $20 Instacart working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.